Hello, Backyard Foundry friend. I thought I would show you a casting that I did, well, a long time ago, but I don't think I ever took any video or pictures or anything of it. So it's a rabbit casting that I did with lost foam. So let me turn the camera around and let's get to it. This is a rabbit and it's pretty heavy. I was gonna weigh it, but I think my scale bottomed out at like 10 pounds, this little postage scale. But you can see I had a big chunk of styrofoam. I used a drywall knife to rough up the surface of the styrofoam. So you can see it's got like a rough pattern. Then when I got it out of the sand, I just sort of brushed over it with a sanding disc on my grinder. So I would take out the big imperfections or the sharp spots or whatever. And then I sprayed it with black spray paint. And then I take my angle grinder and I smooth the high areas off so that they become nice and shiny brass. And then I sprayed it with shellac. It does have a good bit of shrinkage on it. I think I cut a little bit out of it just so that it wouldn't be so much to fill, but you can see the shrinkage is like in that area there is a lot of shrinkage. So anyways, I thought that might give you an idea, or maybe an idea or two for some creative things you can do with lost foam. My wife loves rabbits, so I made a rabbit. Let me know what you're doing, what your projects are in the comments below.
Computer to watch me turn that scrap into a sculpture for you.